This Etsy digital product makes approximately $9,675 and actually is only 1 month old. Guys, check this out. So, as you can see on my screen, this is a digital product. This is a junk journal kit digital product. Now, let me show you exactly what it is. So, junk journals are literally basically digital products, sheets that can be created like these, and they can be stuck onto a notepad. So literally you're creating a notepad that looks like this video, and all of these different kind of pages can be created really quickly using AI. And in fact, I will show you how to create something like this towards the end of this video, so stay right to the end. Now you can see how beautiful it is in this kind of yellowing vintage looking paper. Now there are many different themes of junk journals that you can produce that people really like, and they are actually very popular on Etsy. So this is definitely something that you could produce. But guys, before I get into this, my name's AJ. I do all things AI, digital products, and creating things on Etsy. And if you're interested in any of that, remember, hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Now, coming back to this fantastic one listing, which is making nearly 10K a month. Now look at it. These are all the kind of sheets or the junk journal parts of the junk journal kits that are in this kit, if you like. Lots of different things in the same sort of style. You can see these really cool shops in here. There's the libraries and all sorts of really nice stuff. And obviously they're all themed. So sometimes you can buy a sort of, if you like, a underwater sea theme. You could buy a sort of farm theme, a Christmassy theme, or something really cool like this. Also, there are many different themes that people do like, and actually people love these, and they're very popular because people like to personalize their notepads or their pads. And you can see this is something that's personalized, something where they can write notes, because obviously there's place for written parts in the notepad, and it's in that really nice, cool yellowy vintage style. And by the way, if you want my help building a profitable digital product Etsy store, I've got a small academy where I work with people step by step. There are only 50 spots, and I share what's working, give you some weekly designs, go through the store, make sure that you're on track, and help you grow your store properly. And if you're not ready for a community yet and you just want to follow something step by step, then I also have an online digital product course which you can follow in your own time. Both links are in the descriptions below. Let's get back to the video. And like I said, I've researched so many of these different listings, and a lot of them are doing very well. So it's definitely something that you can get into if you're interested. But guys, on a side note, if you are interested in starting a digital product Etsy store, I do have a recommendation, which to me, I believe is the simplest, easiest type of digital product to start. So do check out the details. You'll see it below. I'm actually taking on a few students in my school community to teach and mentor them this type of digital product. So do check out the school community. The link is below. But coming back to this, let's analyze it using Everbee. Now, you need some kind of research tool, guys. You have to have that if you're going to look and see what's doing well, what's making money, what's low competition. And I use Everbee, my go-to research tool. You can also see the link below, and you can try it out for free. And you can see this is making 9,675 approximately. It's a 1 month old listing, 84 sales. It's only a 1 month old listing. It's phenomenal, guys, right? If I go down, you can also see some of those particular low competition keywords like homemaker journal. And this is where you get all the information. This is, like I said, through Everbee. But it's a phenomenal digital product, guys. It is one of those, niches that people love, as I've said. So let me show you really quickly how to produce an example of a junk journal design, right? And I'm going to stick to a particular theme, right? But I'm going to use my go-to design platform called Kittle, which is absolutely phenomenal and can create things like this really quickly, really easily. So let's jump on to this. Okay, guys, so I'm on Kittle, my go-to AI design platform. This is absolutely phenomenal, guys. Honestly, you can do everything with it. You can design, you can edit, you can create videos, you can create mock-ups. It's a powerful platform which you really need if you want to sell on Etsy. Do check out the link below. I've actually got 25% off all the plans. You can try out for free, and definitely use my promo code if you want a percentage off. Now, look at this. I'm on Kittle now, and I've just opened up a kind of, page, right? A canvas, if you like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this box at the bottom where I can generate an image, right? But I have to write the words, the prompts, if you like, to create the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to describe what I want. So I'm going to say create a vintage bookshelf in a Victorian room done in a watercolor drawn style suitable as a junk journal digital design. Create other items for the Victorian living room around the bookshelf, which is full of books. Okay, I'm going to keep it simple. Now, obviously, I can create many different types of junk journal pages that would be created and for the buyer or the customer that can sort of stick inside on a notepad. For example, a place for them to write their notes. So a sort of yellowing paper with maybe just a border. But I'm going to create one of the pages that is kind of has a design on it. I'm going to keep to a sort of bookshelf Victorian theme, vintage style. Now, also you can use different design models. You can see them here. So you can see there are different design models here that you can choose. I'm going to just use Nano Banana, which is really quick and also has fantastic quality. It takes about 15 seconds to create, but it just gives you an idea of the kind of quality. There's so many different types of models which you can try out. Some probably may be better than others for with what you're trying to produce. But I find Nano Banana is a really good one. There's other ones that are more photorealistic styles and so forth. So you do have a choice. But like I said, I'm going to do it with Nano Banana for this one, and let's click generate on the side. Okay, guys, so you can see right now that I've created this cool vintage style design, which can be part of a junk journal. Absolutely phenomenal. Let me zoom in. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. In the watercolor style, you got the bookshelf, you got the chair, vintage, Victorian. It's got all the sort of parts for the Victorian style. Now, I can also keep the same sort of theme and the same idea and have the same style for all the pages, which you can do in a consistent style. This is the beauty about this, so that the whole junk journal kit actually looks like it's in the same place and belongs to the same pack or bundle. And this is the beauty about using Kittle, guys. You can literally produce anything in a consistent style, guys. So yeah, guys, that's exactly how to produce this. Do check out junk journals. Do check out my videos on my channel to give you more tips and ideas. And just a quick reminder, if you want my help building a profitable digital product Etsy store, I got a small academy where I work with people step by step. There are only 50 spots and I share what's working right now, give you weekly design ideas, go through your store, make sure you're on track, and help you grow your store properly. And if you're just not ready for a community yet and just want to follow something step by step in your own time, then I also have a digital product online course which you can follow. Both links are in the descriptions below. And remember, please, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.